Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run in Fallout 4. To move quickly across the Commonwealth, simply hold down the left Shift key if you are playing on PC. Console players can achieve the same by pressing in the left analog stick. Running is essential for covering long distances and escaping danger, making your journey much more efficient. Remember, this action uses action points, so keep an eye on your AP bar to maintain your speed. Managing your action points is key to continuous running. Your AP bar, located at the bottom of your screen, depletes as you sprint and slowly refills when you stop. To maximize your running time, consider pausing briefly to allow your AP to regenerate. Eating specific foods or using chems can also provide a temporary boost to your AP, helping you cover more ground without interruption. To truly optimize your running, invest in specific perks and gear. The Action Boy or Action Girl perk found in the Agility tree is invaluable, boosting your AP regeneration by 25% at rank 1 and 50% at rank 2. Look for armor with ultralight build modifications to reduce AP drain. Additionally, certain chems and drinks can provide a temporary surge of action points, allowing for extended sprints. For advanced running, consider combining short sprints with brief walking periods to conserve action points, especially when traversing long distances. Always be aware of your surroundings. Navigating around debris or through open areas can significantly impact your overall speed. Planning your journey by marking destinations on your map helps you choose the most efficient path, allowing you to reach your objectives faster and with less wasted effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.